a day in my life as a Burikat ng Abu Dhabi. No, a day in my life as a tourist here in Abu Dhabi. So we're going to Corniche, right?
Yeah, Corniche.
Corniche with my sister Maria, and I'm doing a vlog. Oh my god, my English is so fucking joke. Oh. Baba na po ang mga babae, guys.
It's like how do I explain? Like a tunnel to like go under the road here because there's no zebras over there.
Oh, okay.
So like it's a tunnel.
So, tunnel daw ni siya, guys. Pagawas dito sa kanantong. Murag diri mo agi ang mga... Dili ka gusto mo agi dito sa kalsada para dili ka matigi. So, yeah. Gihi. Tangay. Siya. Ay, I forgot the mic. See, guys. Look at the view. Here, so good.
Over there, they built that, like that, because of UAE was having a public arts sightseeing something. So like they're building art random.
Oh, so now you become literally a tourist guide.
Yeah.
You explain everything I see right now, huh?
Yeah.
Guys, wala lang, parang nasa Manila ka pa rin, pero nasa Abu Dhabi. Ah, sana gets nyo.
One time I saw a bunch of kids diving into there for no reason at all, even though you're not allowed because it's like not even a pool. It's just for
Like a
tourist
sign or...
attraction.
It's good here, huh?
Yeah. You got designs so you don't feel bored.
Sa ko pa ni dahil wala na dahil na nag-iyot-iyot diri sa Linday, nagkalok-kalok diri dahil, bigay diri dahil wala dahil. So, hindi siyang sagot ko. English. So here's the Corniche.
Yes.
Okay, we're here now at the Corniche. Guys. Yan. So, it's a park, right? It's a park.
I think it's like a sidewalk park.
Sidewalk park.
There's a
Where
pool
you
over
can
there.
where you can play anything you want outside.
There's a pearl diving boat. Did you know that people in the past year?
Here's my tourist guide.
Did you know that people in the past year they used to go pearl diving because they didn't know what oil was before? Yeah.
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 So unsa daw yawa? Sa daw to? So we will be playing a badminton.
Yeah, Badminton.
So hey, where's the... Is that our ano? Huh?
The eye tower, that's like the beach tower, which isn't ours. You see that green?
Yeah.
tower? Yeah, that's ours. The eye tower,
Yeah.
my friend lives there.
Oh.
Yeah. Shout out to Aisha.
So I'm doing a vlog. It's my first time vlog here in Abu Dhabi, and here's my first guide. Ayan. Ito po yung English yawa. Basta kasabot na mo ito eh. So yeah, we'll be playing a badminton.
So I'm gonna look for somewhere like a bench or something.
Okay.
Oh look, there's a bench.
Okay.
Congratulations.
So bongbuang pa ni siya, guys. Di ba
There's
sa
a lot
region
of
nila
packs
ako?
here, so
So diri mga kaburakyat nakigdula na lang kuno kay hurot na jud ako ang English like galuding na gid akong utok like mao ra gid toy makaya nako tay and unya maghagok na pug ko ani like what the fuck diri ra gid ko sa English to usonon like mo tiris-tirison gid ko diri pita. Igdula na lang tatay kisang sitag tabi day kapoy kaayo day. So kay wala man may katarong og dula kay kusuging hangin day since tingtugnaw man diri sa Abu Dhabi no. So gasuroy-suroy na lang mi day and gamol may sumaglikay-likay jud ta nang niya mangutana bitaw dira sa daplin-daplin kay otro man tang wala kabalo day. So dool ra kaayo ning mga laaganan diri sa amo ang gipuy ante like makit-an pagyapon ko sa akong mama day.
So we're
Di
going
gyapon ta
now
kapanghigat charot.
WTC, which they called a mall here.
over here is your local 7-Eleven. Bana.
7-Eleven. Crazy, huh?
I mean, yeah, it's Bacala. It's as good as 7-Eleven, but with UAE brands. Not UAE brands. It's like Okay. From San Miguel McDonald's here. This is the McDonald's in Ottawa.
So we are now at World Trade Center, or the WTC Mall here in UAE. And my sister is turning.
Again.
Again. And after this, we should go home.
Yeah.
We don't play that much badminton because of the wind.
Yeah. Oh yeah, they serve ice cream here. Me and my friend got ice cream from
There's
there.
the exact area or what?
Food court. It's really short. Escalators. Like, it's like really short. Take about 5 seconds. Again, we're done. Over there is Muguso.
Oh.
Expensive slash cheap.
Oh,
And Bobby over there, they serve really good boba. The boba there is so good.
should take a round trip.
Okay, yeah, so that Muso. I usually go to Muso with me and my friends, and we don't buy anything at all.
And how about mom?
We just go there just for change. Because I don't I Bobby.
It's spicy or not? It's spicy or not? I don't know
Some things are pricey, some things are not. Fortunately, we don't have a whole bag.
So we're at Momosu. Momosu.
Hi!
Yeah. Ayun siya. Number 16 today. Grabe. Kataas sa building. Bayot. Here's the elevator. My first vlog here in UAE.
Yay!
Yay!
It's my building.
It's my building.
It's my apartment.
Building. You didn't say you already have a building, huh?
This is my building. This is my building.
Person. Pasudlot, pinibo din eh.
She didn't come in.
Mama namin, oh. Gabi, oh. Tagal lang kami buksan, oh. Diba? Ngayon, taka ng tubig, kaya mo yan. Oh, lakas ah. Strong independent yarn. Sabi sa inyo, hindi namin kailangan ng lalaki sa buhay. Pera lang talaga gusto namin.